Hey guys, welcome back. Now you see that we are designing such kind of a screen. I give you one more demo here. Suppose I remove this expanded from here and I adjust or add more container. I say copy and I add more container here like this, and I give the color. I give color here. We can give purple color like this, and more color I give here. I can say shine color or gray color like this, and I say Control S. You will see that it showing some problem. I'm using here flex and vertical is there, but you see screen is going somewhere else, but I have to give height also. So I give height also to adjust this. I say 200 pixel. Once again here I say height of 200 pixel. Save this and you will see that automatically the screen destroy. I just give here also height 200 pixel. Now you see that this is gone, but I don't want to do this. Suppose I want to display all the information whatever available in all the container. I don't want to delete or I don't want to hide any container. I want to show like this, but this screen is destroy, screen is removed. So how I can adjust this? For that we have a scroll view. So here in the flex body, because I'm using flex here, so in the flex body I say alt enter, and here I can use the widgets like this, and I can change the widgets to scroll view. So scroll view, and we have a single child scroll view like this. I press enter. You see single child scroll view. I say Control S. Now automatically you see scrolling is enabled now. Now I can scroll up and down, depend on me. If this is you can say flex is in a vertical format, then this will behave in a up and down manner. But if this flex is in a row format, then it will work in a row format also. So depend on you. If your data is large, not coming in a single screen, you want the listing effect. You can say list, you want to display some information in listing manner, or you want to show all the information available on a screen. You don't want to destroy your screen, so you don't want to overlap your screen. So you can use here a single child scroll view. There are multiple scroll view. Whatever you want to use, check yourself in the documentation, but this is the mostly usable scroll view widgets. You use this, put everything inside a scroll view, and your screen would not destroy, or anything whatever going out of the screen, that will be scrolled by you, and you can manage your screen. So this is all about scroll view widgets in Flutter. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.